Hey everybody! So it is September, so that means it's the beginning of spooky season! Woo! And yes, meet Annie again. She wanted to say hi. Along with whoever was saying hello out in the backyard. Okay, so past few weeks, there have been quite a bit being done, especially for antiquing. I found myself a lamp finally. The only lamp I have is in my bedroom, and I kind of need that one. And yes, I also found a chair. This will be my desk chair for the time being. Well, probably will be because one of my landlords says that he has a chair he's fixed up he wants to put in here. I gave him a deadline. He has until the end of the year. Otherwise, I'm going to find a new chair that'll actually be my desk chair instead. And this will be my reading chair. Because, come on, it's just so comfy and purty. Which I'll show you in the reveal after our little video here. So, I already got a good amount of decorating done. I have my little tiny Halloween candle, which, I don't know if you can tell or not, is a bleeding candle. Yeah, but I will be continuing to decorate for Halloween a little bit. Though next year might be a little more grand. This year, gonna be a little understated. And everything is already on the shelves. Book-wise, a few decorations. And I'm a little miffed at my landlords right now because they finally got sick and tired of my little river of books. And they started taking them all out and sending them to Goodwill. I was able to save what is left on my bookcase. And let's just say that it's going to be a long time before I let them back into any spaces of mine. This library is off limits to them for a while, even though they said they want to come in here and relax because they like this room. But when you share spaces with your landlords, that's going to happen. Okay, so today we are going to do a little bit of DIYing, a little project that we're going to do with some fobs and ends that I got lying around. So, we shall get to that. Come on. Okay, so what you see in front of you is bits and pieces for a terrarium. We got some figures, stone, shells, some moss, sand, and an empty cookie jar. Okay, so let's see. I think we'll start with some of the sand. Yeah, it's a jar that has not been used lately, so it kind of stuck together. So let's give it a good bed of sand in here. Kind of make it a little uneven. Almost make it look like an actual world in there. Alright, next, I say some moss. There's already a sale in here somewhere. And it's not for this one. I guess I'll have to put the little Ziploc bag. Let's see, I think I'll use some of this a little bit of this nice bright green stuff. Let's see now. Well, this is a nice bright green. Okay, that's a nice amount of moss. Let's see what else. Let's get some of this in there. Okay. Alright, so I have some of these faux flowers I've had forever. They're called prairie flowers, but they're not really being used, so I'm going to give them a different kind of life. And yeah, this is why I use sand instead of glue and everything, because I can just stick it in there and fix it up the way I want. Give it maybe make it a little different later on, all without having to mess with the possibilities and stickiness of glue. Alright, since we got some fairies in here, I think I'll add some of these bigger flowers. Alright, so we got a good base right there. Let's see. How about this shell? I think the shell's a little much for this one. Alright. Now let's add our little pumpkin. Yes, guys, this is an actual unused pumpkin I have not even opened yet. But let's face it, who among us crafters out there have found something that we have not even bothered to open yet that we had forever? Ooh, look creepy those spiders. Alright, so let's see. Just give it some fun the Halloween-esque-ness. Alright, now let's add our occupants. Let's see now. She looks like she is just relaxing, chilling, watching the world go by. So, let's see now. Let's put her right here. And this one is all gung-ho, getting ready for decorating. So, she's got a bunch of flowers on her, so let's put her right over here near the pumpkin. And let's see. Also got a little fairy, tiny fairy house, but it's kind of big. Ooh, this jar is not this small. There we go. But let's see, do I want to add this in there? Probably not. Maybe next time. I do have some jack-o'-lanterns in here that I will be using for another terrarium later. But that is pretty much all that I'm going to put in here. So we shall put the lid on. And there is our terrarium! What y'all think? Well, that is pretty much it. I will go on to the reveal, and if y'all want to see more videos of these, please give me a like. It'll tell me that y'all are actually watching these videos. And that if you have ideas, maybe a terrarium of your own that you're working on, please share in comments the picture. I would love to see them. Alright, I shall see y'all next time in the wonderful spookiness of October. Bye.